Because money can be the greatest servant. You need money to put up schools, scholarships, hospitals,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi pwedeng prayers lang na ano. Even the church needs money. So sabi ko nga sa mga estudyante
Opo.
kong pare tigilan niyo yung kakasabi na parang iwasan yung pera,
Opo.
savings dapat divine things. No. As long as you are in the material world, you
Opo.
will need material
Opo,
things.
totoo.
Bakit yung mga swapang lang ang gusto ng pera? Okay? The money is not the problem. The problem is when you don't understand why you want it.
Gets.
It causes you so much suffering, for example, since Valentine's Day,
Opo.
that this person does not reciprocate your
Yes.
love. And there, you have done everything to make that change. Talagang ayaw sa'yo.
Opo.
Diba? You will increase your suffering if you keep insisting.
Yes.
Or do you free yourself and say, you let it go. You let it go.
Paano nyo malalaman kung kaya pa? Or lagi nakakahanap ng paraan sa universe?
Minsan, hindi nagdidesisyon yung kaya ko pa o hindi. Magdidesisyon ka na kakayanin ko.
Oh, ang ganda ng kahit saang aspect ng buhay. No?
Yeah,
Ano po
okay.
may papayo nyo sa isang tao para magkaroon ng good life?
Do not focus on the outside world and the others. Look also within. Look also within.
Ang mga susunod niyo pong mapapanood ay ang aking pakikipagtalakayan kasama si Professor Lorin Velasco, isa pong guro ng filosofiya sa De La Salle University, Manila. Siya rin po ang founder ng DLSU Pusa, isang organisasyon na nag-aalaga at nagpapakain sa mga pusa sa loob ng campus ng Lasal. Paalala lamang po, may iba't iba po tayong pananaw at pamamaraan ng pamumuhay dito sa mundo. Ang mahalaga po ay parating pag-ibig ang ating pairalin. May masasabi po kaming mga mali at mga opinyong hindi kayo sumasang-ayon. Piliin po muna sana nating umintindi at umunawa bago humusga. Pawang 2 tao lamang po kami na nagkikwentuhan at sinusubukang matuto sa isa't isa. Bago po muna ang lahat, pakipindot po muna ang like at subscribe button bilang suporta. Mga minamahal na kapatid, ako po si Baste, and this is Epic.
Guys, this is a very important episode dahil talagang mula nung sinimulan namin to ni Jimbert yung yung podcast. Talagang pinangarap na namin na may guest si Ma'am Lorin Velasco. Si Ma'am Lorin po is may philosophy prof nung college ako. And sa totoo lang, sobrang laki ng impact niya sa akin kasi siya nagligtas ng buhay ko sa totoo lang. Like, during nung high school ako, medyo bullied ako, tapos medyo marami akong angst sa buhay dahil medyo dysfunctional din yung pinanggalingan kong family. So, dami kong questions before that. Tapos, I was really in the verge of deep depression. And nasa point na ako na kine-question ko kung dapat bang tapusin, mga ganun-ganon. Tapos, yung mga tinuturo sa amin ni ma'am, as in, sobrang naging impactful. Pero may isang linya, may isa kaming topic na yun yung parang in a snap of a finger. Nagbago yung, So, ikwento ko lang po, ma'am, na...
Ano kaya yun?
Diba? Opo.
What was that line?
Tawag dito kasi, pinag-usapan po ata natin si Albert Camus. So, napag-usapan po yung suicide. For a very long time po, yung suicide nga po, medyo dumadaan sa nakakontemplate, napapagplanuhan. Pero at the same time, may ano ako na parang siguro, fragile masculinity dati. Hindi, matapang ako. Parang, tapos naisip ko dati na, hindi kaya yung pagtapos ng lahat is yung pinakamatapang na bagay na pwede kong gawin. Tapos po, nung pinag-uusapan natin si Camus, may isa pong estudyante na tinanong niya yung tanong ko sa utak. May isa po akong kaklase na tinanong niya, Ma'am, hindi po ba matapang yung mga nagpapakamatay? Tapos sinabi niya po, hindi ba mas matapang ka kung nagkakawalang kwenta na yung buhay mo, pero pinipili mo pa rin magpatuloy? Pang! Yes, matapang ako. Yes. Opo. So, yun talaga, kinikilabutan nga ako ngayon. Opo. So, introduce ko po si Ma'am Lorin Velasco, philosophy prof, Dr. Lorin Velasco po.
No.
Hindi pa po ba?
Just Lorin.
Sorry.
Not interested in that.
Ma'am, pag-usapan natin mamaya kung bakit hindi kayo interested sa pagiging doctorate. Ma'am, maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak sa invitation ko na mag-guest kayo. Sobra po talagang excited ako dito. And yun nga po, talagang feeling ko po, yung mga naging epekto nyo po sa akin, pag napanood po ng mga guest natin to, sana po maapektuhan din sila nung ganun. So, ma'am, para sa unang-unang tanong po, minsan po, medyo binibigatan na namin para maset po yung pace. Ma'am, philosophy prof na po kayo for many years.
Yeah.
And marami pong perspective ng iba't ibang philosophers yung na natutunan at itinuro nyo. Pero ngayon po, ang tanong ko, ma'am, sa sarili nyong perspective, what is the meaning of life?
Well, I would have to quote Joseph Campbell because I understand perfectly what he wanted to say. That the meaning of life is that you're there. You're there, present, right here, right now. And there are so many things to do. You do not do things to achieve certain results. It's enough that you do it.
Yes.
Okay? And just this afternoon, I was telling my students, Valentine's Day na naman in less than 2 weeks' time. Love is sufficient unto itself. You do not love because it will make you happy. You do not love because it will give you fulfillment. Love is sufficient unto itself, whether it is reciprocated or not. To go through that experience is very soulful and enriching.
Opo. Kung mapag-usapan naman po natin yung love,
Okay.
ano po ba ang meaning naman ng
And
love
love
para
is
sa inyo?
not just the romantic aspect
Yes.
of it. Okay, I am in animal advocacy, so love is widening the circle of compassion. Why limit yourself only to human love
Opo.
when there are many kinds that are available? And I feel so fortunate that the universe has moved me on a soulful level and opened the door for me to experience love from another angle, which is not exclusive to human beings, and how pure animals are, no ego. Okay, so it's also a path to self-discovery. In my case, I did not realize that I was willing to go this far, walk 10 extra miles. So, I wish that everybody would have that opportunity. Okay, but it will also depend on your response. It's not enough that the opportunities happen. You have to respond to it.
Opo.
Okay, so even if the door is open but you will not enter,
Wala
it is
rin.
not going to happen.
Gets po. Ma'am, medyo atras po muna tayo ng onte. Matanong ko lang po, paano po nagsimula na naging, napili niyo po yung pagtuturo as the profession po?
I actually did not choose it. I got invited to teach. I fell in love with philosophy. I enrolled in so many extra units in
Yes,
philosophy without a career plan. I wanted to be a filmmaker and cinematographer because my course is communication arts.
Lasal din po, di ba?
Lasal, yeah. Commerce ako. I wanted to be a filmmaker. My thesis mate is one of the in-house directors of ABS-CBN. I thought my career path was along that line. But I wasn't happy
Opo.
with the production work. It was just too tiring. You hardly sleep.
Opo.
And I said, no, I don't want to do this. And the day after I resigned with no fallback,
Opo.
no plan B. But I was just so done with it. Minsan ganun,
Opo,
dadating
yung
ka sa
ganun.
punto mo na yun, absolutely no doubt about saying goodbye.
Opo.
And then the day after I resigned, I got a call from LaSalle offering me a teaching job. Huh? And then I was very happy with it. And
Opo.
I'm still happy. Corrupting the minds of the youth.
Yung favorite
Yan.
line ni ma'am, no? Corrupting the
Okay,
minds of the youth.
Corrupting the minds of the youth.
Sobrang corrupted po ng mind.
Yeah. And I love the fact that I'm teaching philosophy.
Opo.
Kasi yung parameters talagang halos wala. You can always move the boundaries, question the boundaries, transcend the boundaries.
Yes po. Next naman po, paano naman po nyo nasigurado na yung philosophy na yung gusto nyong ituro?
Well, siyempre, philosophy of man, basic yan, the fundamentals. Well, now the basic course is G-Ethics.
Opo.
But when I saw the textbook, predominantly Western, overview, a little bit of Eastern, and my specialization, of course, is Japanese philosophy
Zen.
and Zen Buddhism. So I wanted to incorporate more Eastern. So I'm adjusting the syllabus.
Ma'am, matanong ko lang po, yung view nyo sa West and Eastern philosophy,
Yeah.
bakit po kayo mas naglilin sa Eastern philosophy?
Because it's more complete. It's not denying or saying goodbye, but incorporating what you find in the West so that it gets enriched. Because the fact is we have rationality, we have logic, but you go beyond that. You bring that with you, but you don't, that's not the limit.
Kung matanong ko lang po, kung may i-elaborate nyo pa po yung difference ng West and Eastern philosophy.
Okay, so predominantly yung Western philosophy kasi and Western science, of
Opo.
course, is the foundation of that is the faculty of reason.
Yes.
So which is one kind of understanding.
Opo.
Of course, the first kind of understanding we have is instinctive.
Instinctive. Okay
which
po.
we share with animals. And then in Eastern civilization, they also learn to tap another kind of consciousness, a different kind of understanding, which is of course intuitive.
Intuitive, yeah.
Okay, so this is understanding and knowledge beyond logic. Okay, so science is good and science is beautiful. The strength of science is its insistence on empirical data.
Yes.
But the weakness of science also is in insistence on empirical
Yes.
data. So
Kasi
what
may
if
mga bagay na hindi mo siya
what if you don't have the empirical data? It
Opo.
doesn't mean it's not there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's when you have to go beyond.
Gets. Kaya siya mas complete.
Hindi mo siya iiwanan, pero
Opo.
isasama mo siya. But you see the limitations.
Ma'am, isa po ito sa mga pinakamalaking tanong ko sa buhay. Tsaka kung mas maganda po siguro kung masagot nyo siya in Filipino para...
Sige.
Kasi yun po, nabanggit nyo na sa Eastern philosophy is very intuitive. Yun po yung isa kong question sa buhay, na malaking question ko sa buhay. Na, yes, naniniwala ako sa lahat ng itinuro ng science. Pero at the same time, yun nga po, maraming experience, maraming phenomena ako na experience na hindi ko ma-explain. Na kahit science, hindi pa ma-explain. So, isa na po dyan yung intuition. Like, ako rin po kasi as a person po, talaga medyo intuitive ako. And sobrang dami pong bagay na yung gut feel na talagang nagkatotoo. So parang, kung matanong ko po sa inyo, saan po ba galing ang intuition?
It is like the source coming from the universe, and when you're plugged into it, parang saksakan di ba? So, yung power outlet, kung hindi ka nakasaksak doon, hindi mo na-access. But the power is available.
Gets.
The energy is available.
Yes.
Okay? So, it's like all the channels sa radio.
Yes.
If you don't tune into that, you don't hear. Okay?
Yes.
So yung frequency mo doon. So, yung frequency na rational lang, yung frequency na instinctive lang.
Opo.
Okay? And there are other available sources. So, yun na. And we need all naman.
Opo.
You know, all of those sources have a place in our lives.
Opo. Natutuwa nga po ako na kasi ganoon din po yung view ko nga na sa kunyari po sa pagsusulat ng kanta. Na parang si universe may gusto nang intent na mangyari.
Ganyan yan. Oo, sa works of art, ganon. Minsan di mo alam kung saan nahuhugot,
Kung saan siya
ba't
nanggagaling.
lumalabas lang. And it's simply just flowing through you.
Opo. Tuning in lang na parang sa akin lang dadaan yung pero hindi naman talaga sa akin.
And it's rationality that will try to figure out how.
Opo. Gets.
But you cannot. How do you
Opo.
dance like that? You can't explain.
Opo.
So teaching is an art, music is an art, painting,
Yes.
so many art forms.
If I may ask po, kasi yun na po, napunta na po yung source na sinasabi niyo na yung energy or the frequency of the universe. Medyo papasok po dun yung concept ng, sa akin po kasi, sa personal belief ko naman po, yung order na yon or yung energy na yon, yung one ball of energy after the Big Bang, it's my definition of divine para sa
Okay.
akin, na parang
Yeah.
hindi siya anthropomorphic being, hindi siya
It's an energy.
hindi siya father, hindi siya tatay.
Yeah.
It's an energy na lahat tayo part nun. So parang kung kayo naman po ang tatanungin ko, ma'am, ano po yung divine para sa inyo?
Ganun din.
Same
It's that
tayo.
presence, it's that energy.
Yes.
Now, when you come from the faculty of reason, gusto mong i-define, gusto mong i-translate into doctrines and dogmas.
Opo.
Not that they are correct, but not that they are wrong.
Opo.
But every definition is a limitation.
Gets.
Okay? So, all religions are correct up to a certain point and beautiful up to a certain point. Pero pag na-trap ka dyan, it can become ugly.
Yes.
Then you fight for the idea, it becomes an ideology, you know. So belief comes from the mind, and life is not something that you need to believe in.
Opo.
Because it's there, available to your experience, you know. The belief is not necessary anymore. Do I believe that I'm talking to you? Diba?
Opo.
That doesn't
Hindi na
even
necessary
enter.
kasi.
Diba? Do I believe that I'm having these emotions?
Opo.
Nararamdaman mo na
Opo.
Okay? So, iba yung belief. Pwedeng maniwala ka, pero hindi yung totoo.
Totoo, opo.
Diba? So, pero pagdating sa experience, sa life,
Opo.
you cannot.
Para po
question
siyang
anymore.
gnosis, no? Parang yung opo.
Yeah, that's why the pantheistic, everything is sacred and divine. That's why when I was asked to deliver a lecture sa conference, ang theme nila, yung parang tinatanong, is God alive?
Opo.
Is God dead?
Opo.
Is
Ayun.
God still relevant? So the first two speakers, they went into that, the Muslim perspective, you have the Christian perspective, and I was the third and the last perspective. And I said, simula pa lang sinabi ko, you know, the theme of this conference is to ask the question and to answer the question, is God dead? Is God alive? Is God still relevant? And I said, the question to ask is not, is God dead or alive or relevant? The question to ask is, are we alive?
Are we alive? Gets.
Because if there is God but you're dead,
Wala rin.
wala rin.
Wala rin. Opo.
And that energy, divinity, the sacredness is there. Okay? But are you there? Are you plugged into it?
Opo.
You know, you're looking for miracles and you don't realize that it's happening all the time.
Yes. Yun nga po yung ano ko rin view ko sa buhay na parang magic is real and magic is everything. Parang gano'n. Parang,
Yeah.
opo.
Kagaya no, nag-uusap tayo. You know,
Opo.
the eyes can see, the ears can hear.
Yes po.
And we're having this conversation. We understand each other. We ask each other's questions. All the encounters are, you know, I cut my nails and they grow back. Wow.
Yun nga po eh.
Yan, nauuhaw ako, tapos inom ako ng tubig, and then I feel different afterwards. You know, that is a miracle.
Totoo po. Tsaka pag yung nagkaano ko po sa buhay, yung parang nag-zoom in ka sa buhay, parang magiging everything is parang magical nga na para siyang yung order ng lahat.
Yeah.
Yung paano tumutubo yung blades of grass.
Yeah.
Paano ka mahalin ng aso mo.
There is rhyme and reason.
Opo, yung rhyme and reason.
In everything.
So para pong, dun nga po, mapunta naman tayo na parang kung may beauty sa buhay, yung beauty po ba, is it like subjective? Or parang
Some
objective?
aspects of it, in accordance with the limitations of our experiences and our value judgments, so nagiging limited. But ito na nga, when you go beyond the definitions, then it will open up another dimension of beauty. Okay?
Mapunta po tayo kanina na pag-usapan natin si Divine. So sa Western perspective po, or kahit sa Catholic perspective na lang, is God already planned everything.
Okay.
Na plinano na po lahat ng Diyos. Kung sa atin po, na kung ano matawag to, kung pantheism ba, or kung ano man, is definition nyo naman po, na meron pa ring source, may energy, may technically order and rhyme sa mundo. Predestined po ba talaga yung...
Ako, I don't think so.
Opo.
Because that will conflict with freedom, and that will conflict with facing the consequences of
Yes.
our decisions. Because if God just planned everything, then you just have to wait, or you are just participating not on your own, but like a pawn, diba? Like a puppet. So I am not inclined
Opo.
to agree. But what is that which renders God powerless is precisely our freedom.
Yeah.
I think the universe likes things to be in order and
Opo.
beautiful and full of love. But when it comes to man, we have choices. And there are men who choose things that are evil, that are ugly. So ugliness comes from us. We introduce that to the universe. Cruelty comes from us. That does not come from the universe. Greed comes from the mind. You know, the body is never greedy. When you've had enough, kahit mukbang ka dyan, pag busog na, hindi mo nakakayanin. But the greed, you know, that I have many billions of pesos or dollars, fat bank account, I have so many houses, fancy cars. The mind becomes happy with that. Okay?
Ma'am, kung matanong ko naman po, dahil yun nga po, saan po naman galing sa tingin niyo yung evil o kahit yung ego man lang ng tao?
That's us.
Opo.
That's us.
Wala siyang pinanggalingan.
That's an energy coming from us translated into actions. You know, so hindi parang takot ka sa demonyo, mas takot ako sa tao. Yun ang pipindot ng baril. Yun ang magre-rape, yun ang magnanakaw, yun ang gagawa ng kabulastugan. Okay? But it's part of us running away from our responsibility when we'd like to transfer the energy to something else and we don't own it. Kaya nga, how do you stop a war? You know, Lord, sana tumigil ang war. And then I would tell my students, what do you want God to do? Kayo yung ayaw tumigil eh. Kakapadala ng troops nyo dyan, kakabaril, send all weapons of mass destruction, di ba? Yun eh. This is the reason why yung Zen story, di ba, how to stop a war, sinampal-sampal. Okay? Because the peace talks, sending the diplomats, the ambassadors will only go so far. That's the exoteric approach and the rational approach. But you have to realize that the fuel of hatred comes from us. Wala namang problema na galit ka. May maraming bagay na nakakagalit sa mundo. That not people are friends. Not everyone is a friend. But must we destroy each other? Yun eh. Must we destroy each other?
Yun nga po. Kung pupunta naman po tayo kanina, nabanggit niyo po yung evil. Para sa inyo po ba, what are evil acts po?
Well, greed is evil.
Apo.
Because greed will result in so many actions. You know, the corruption, the stealing, the lying, the deception.
Apo.
Okay? And the two major paths, of course, the ultimate, love and money. Okay, so for profit, even intellectual property, why do you have trademark, patent, intellectual property rights? Because people can steal ideas.
Yes.
And it all boils down to profit. Pera pa rin talaga.
Pera pa rin talaga.
Pera pa rin talaga.
Greed pa.
And yet, we are escaping from our responsibility when we put the blame on money.
Yes.
Because money can be the greatest servant. You need money to put up schools, scholarships, hospitals,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi pwedeng prayers lang na even the church needs money. So sabi ko nga sa mga estudyante
Opo.
kong pare tigilan niyo yung kasabi na parang iwasan yung pera,
Opo.
things dapat divine things. No, as long as you are in the material world, you
Opo.
will need material
Opo,
things.
totoo.
Bakit yung mga swapang lang ang gusto ng pera? Okay? The money is not the problem. The problem is when you don't understand why you want it.
Gets.
Okay? So, it's nice to have a lot of money.
Yes.
It increases your capacity to share and your capacity to help. So, for that reason, it's nice to have a lot of money. So, pursue it, but you have to know why you want it.
Yes.
So, possess, but do not be possessed.
Gets.
Doon ang gagaling yung danger noon eh. If you just want money para malaki yung ego mo, para sikat ka, para inggit yung iba sa'yo, that changes the
Opo.
dynamics.
Saka magbibring din siya ng suffering sa'yo eventually.
Oo,
Opo.
di ba? Ganun yun eh. So, pero ang masarap pang
Opo.
maraming pera.
Opo, totoo.
Masarap pang maraming pera.
At saka kung paano mo rin po siya gamitin.
Oo, there
Parang
are so
hindi
many
totoo
things
yung
that-
evil talagang pera.
Oo. Tayo yun eh. Tayo yun.
Opo.
Pati yung pera, sinisisi. Wala namang kasalanan ng pera.
Opo.
Di ba? Tayo yan eh.
Next naman po, kung yun na nga po, lahat po is responsibility ng humans. Kung matanong ko lang po, yun na po, big
No,
question.
when it comes to man-made things, of course,
Apo.
yun, tayo, responsibilidad natin yun. Hindi naman natin responsibilidad yung 21% oxygen in the atmosphere. That's a gift from the universe.
Apo.
The functions of the human body, those are gifts from the universe.
Apo.
But how you deal with that, kasi ang unique sa tao, we can introduce imbalance.
Opo.
Yun eh.
Saan po kaya nagagaling? Bakit tayo? Ba't sa dinami-dami ng-
Kasimpleng bagay na kailangan ng body matulog.
Opo.
Bakit mo pinipigilan? Kasi may maraming ginagawa, kasi mayroong trabaho, di ba?
Opo.
And you sacrifice your health for work, for money.
Opo.
But it causes an imbalance eh. Okay? So, like sa pusa, parang overworked ako. But
Opo.
iba yun eh. It's not
Opo.
an employment. It's a voluntary
It's love eh.
work.
Opo.
Oo. Hindi ka nagbibilang ng oras. Pero napapagod ako. So,
Opo.
nagpapahinga. Ganyan.
Opo. Yung punta po tayo dun sa big question nga po kasi yun nga po. Kung usapan po ng responsibility and ng will po. Does freedom exist po ba?
Ako sa tingin ko.
Yes po.
Sa tingin ko. I could have said no to this podcast. But I decided to say yes.
Yes po. Bakit po if kung pwede niyo pong elaborate?
I mean, why not? I mean, you were my former student, and then there's nothing wrong with the interview if it can enrich whoever, for whatever purpose, di ba? So, kwentuhan tayo dito, sharing of ideas, which is what I do also in philosophy.
Yes po, kaya nga po. Talaga, tsaka kaya rin po naglakas ako ng loob na i-invite po kayo mag-guest kasi sa inyo ko po nakita yung passion for teaching talaga. Na yung hindi nyo po siya ginagawa para sa monetary rewards or kahit ano man. Pag nagtuturo po kayo dati, as in naramdam ko na ang goal nyo talaga is mabago
Matuto
yung
kayo.
isip ng tao po. Matuto talaga.
Oo.
Nakakatawa po. So, yun naman po, kung mapunta naman po tayo sa yung freedom nga po.
Okay.
And na kung may freedom, darating po doon yung bad choices or wrong choices. So, ayun naman po. And yung wrong choices, kadalasan, nagbibigay sa atin ng suffering. So, para sa inyo naman po, how do we avoid suffering or how do we free ourselves from suffering?
Well, to start with, you have to suffer so much para maintindihan mo na talagang ayaw mo na. So, minsan dami tayong nagreklamo sa Pilipinas, sa sobrang sufferings, the corruption, yung sistemang talagang minsan walang kakwenta-kwenta. But I would tell my students, if you want a better Philippines, you have to have better Filipinos.
Yes.
Pero pag pumunta ka sa social media,
Opo.
hindi ako nag-unfollow at hindi ako nagbablock.
Gets, opo.
Kahit na masakit sa ulo pakinggan yung mga pinagsasasabi at makikitid ang mga utak. Because research data.
Yes.
And how will you know? Yun na nga, the courage to face and look at things straight in the eye. Kung ayaw nyo magbago, ayaw natin magbago, hindi tayo magbabago. Huwag kang mangarap. Diba? Yung pangarap, sandali lang yan. I mean, konti lang. That will only go so far. That's what I'm
Opo.
trying to say. It will only go so far. It must be translated into action.
Action po talaga.
Actions talaga. Simpleng-simpleng pagtawid, traffic
Opo.
lights, hindi kayang sundin. Pagtapon ng basura, di ba? Walang pakialam. Wala. It's not gonna happen. I don't see it changing anytime
Michael
soon.
Jackson talaga. If you want to make a world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change.
Really, where the change starts with you.
Opo.
Oo.
Pero ayun nga po, kung after mo ma-experience yung suffering, paano nyo naman po ma-free yung sarili nyo? Or na-free ba talaga? Capable ba talaga ang taong?
I think so. It's not so much changing the external circumstances.
Opo.
Baka maaring hindi naman external circumstance yung nagpapalit, pero ikaw na yung umiiba.
Gets.
Okay? Yung talagang, it causes you so much suffering, for example, since Valentine's Day,
Opo.
that this person does not reciprocate your
Yes.
love. And there, you have done everything to make that change. Talagang ayaw sa'yo.
Opo.
Diba? You will increase your suffering if you keep insisting.
Yes.
Or do you free yourself and say, you let it go. You let it go.
Opo. So yun naman po. Susunod pa po tayo sa
Valentine's Day.
sa pag let go, or kasi ayun naman po ako bilang isang overthinker na sobrang ayun po yung parang one of my suffering sa buhay is hindi tumatahimik si utak ko, hirap ako matulog.
Hindi, gano'n naman talaga ang mind.
Opo.
Kaya nga monkey mind ang tawag dyan.
Monkey mind nga po, yun nga po.
Monkey mind ang tawag dyan.
So doon na po maglilid yung next question na ako po, kung isa sa suffering ko is yung pamumroblema sa past, pamumroblema sa future.
Yeah.
So ang kailangan po is maging present. So paano po bang if magkaroon ng inner peace or maging present sa buhay?
Ako ganito, let's give more specific examples. I remember seeing this quotation parang, you're afraid na mawawala. What are you so afraid to lose? You have nothing that you own. There is nothing that you own.
Wala talaga.
Not even your body belongs to you. It's a gift of the universe. The fact that this is alive, of course kumakain ka, but there are involuntary processes there that have nothing to do with you.
Opo.
So what are you so afraid to lose when you have nothing to own? But you have to look at that straight in the eye. Hindi pwedeng i-repress mo yung takot.
Ayun, totoo po
Harapin mo, tingnan mo, titigan mo. Yung talagang, is it worth nourishing? Okay? So do not let go kasi parang I have to let go. No. If you wanna hold on, then hold
Opo.
on.
Wag mo lang tatakasan talaga.
Hold on hanggang sa tingin mo, why am I holding on to this?
Gets.
Why am I holding on to this? Kaya ako, walang sapilitan sa mundo. Pag yung estudyante ko nakatulog sa klase, tulog inaantok
Opo.
I'm not gonna cause myself suffering na iniinsulto ako and all that. Because
Opo.
the world does not revolve around any of us.
Gets.
But we are part of it.
Yes.
Okay? We are part of it. That's why yung mga prayers minsan for personal, yung talagang sana Lord magustuhan ako. Anong gusto mong gawin ni Lord, di ba? And how different is that from a love
Opo.
potion? Anong gagayumahin ka? Ganun,
Opo,
di ba?
totoo.
O gagayumahin siya. At saka kung ako naman yung pinagdadasal, talagang tigil-tigilan niyo ako,
Opo.
Di ba? Kung hindi ko siya gusto, di ba? Anong gusto mong gawin ni Lord? I-manipulate para
Opo.
magustuhan
Hindi na
kita.
freedom yun, di ba?
Di ba?
Opo.
Di ba? And it's so undignified.
Opo.
I find it undignified.
Opo. Kasi parang yun nga po, parang kunyari gusto mo mahalin ka. Yung pagmamahal, it's a very natural thing na binibigay ng tao. Hindi
Actually,
siya hinihingi.
It's also somehow the ego that
Opo.
likes the reciprocation of it.
Opo.
The possession.
Gets.
Okay? But when you go deeper pa, yung love na it doesn't matter if I'm loved or not.
Opo.
Okay? Like I said, I fell in love and then, so miss, anong nangyayari? Wala. Kailangan ba may mangyari? But I was moved by it. I experienced it.
Opo.
I was touched by the experience. Hindi kailangan may mangyari. Yun na nga yun. Yung focus dun sa result.
So, kumbaga, sa process po talaga, hindi sa result.
The now.
Opo,
The here and now.
Opo.
Okay? The here and now. What is the meaning of life? Is that you're there.
Yes.
Is that you're there.
Yun talaga.
Is that you're there. Participating. Are you ready to receive what the universe is giving?
Matanong ko lang, ma'am, pagka ganun po ba, pagka dumarating yung mga moments of anxieties, moments of ganyan, meron po ba kayong mga mantra na inaano sa sarili niyo?
I don't fight it. It's more of watching.
Opo.
And then where it's coming from. And then of course, namnamin mo rin yung experience. Kasi human experience
Opo.
yan. The anger, the fear, the insecurities.
Opo.
Diba? And then you look at that straight in the eye. Tapos biglang parang nagdi-dissipate
Opo.
afterwards. Because the impermanence even negative feelings will not stay forever.
Yes, yun nga yung yung alon ng sa yin yang.
Pati yung positive, hindi rin. Diba?
Opo.
So, but while you're there,
Ma'am, kung mapag-usapan naman po natin, yun nga po, yung pagiging present. Babalik po tayo dun na ang expertise niyo po talaga is Zen Buddhism.
Oh. I don't even like to use the word expert.
Okay. Ano po ba?
I'm specializing in it. Okay. No one is an expert when it comes to...
Opo.
You know.
Kung may elaborate nyo lang po ba, ano po ba ang Zen Buddhism?
Well, Zen is basically, what I love about Zen Buddhism is that it goes against Buddhism,
Yes.
meaning it transcends doctrines and dogmas and teachings coming from here. That's why yung mga Zen masters minsan nananampal, ganyan. The categories master, disciple, relevant lang yan pag hindi ka pa nakakarating dun sa enlightenment.
Opo.
But the desire of the master is for you also to be enlightened, and then the categories disappear. The categories. And it always brings you back to the world of daily affairs.
Opo.
You know, gad-gad ka, layo ng pinag-iisip mo. Ito, ang daming tasks. Okay, you talk about love na napakalaki. Ito, facing you, di ba? You have a kid to take care of. You have a neighbor. Am I my brother's keeper? Ultimately, the answer to the question is yes. Yes.
Bakit?
Because we are connected to each other. And that's part of the meaning of life, that you do not only think of yourself and your fulfillment. And yung deeper fulfillment, kasama lahat. Hindi lang ikaw. Hindi ka maiiwanan. In fact, kasama ka. Pero yung ego kasi, takot na, who is more important? Ako o sila? Others? Yung ganong conflict. Walang dilema. I think love does not find itself in a dilemma. It's the ego that finds itself in a dilemma.
So maganda po talaga ng mga tao, pagka nagde-decide, lagi nilang isipin kung ano ba to, talaga bang gusto kong gawin to or ego ko lang yung nagsasabi na dapat kong gawin to.
You have to know. Awareness. It's more of awareness than thinking
Yes.
Kasi yung thinking is limited.
Yes.
It's more of awareness. Kaya ang method sa Eastern consciousness ay yung meditation.
Meditation, yes.
You sit, you
I'm a fan
watch.
of meditation.
You watch the energy that's arising from you, that's arising from the community. Masarap magbago ang Pilipinas.
Yes.
But I don't see the energy that will result in that. Diba?
Ma'am, kung mapag-usapan lang po natin kanina yung
And that's not being pessimistic.
Opo. Pero kasi pag nakita niyo po talaga yung paligid sa Pilipinas, ang hirap maging optimistic. Pero pero kayo po ba, ma'am? Sa view niyo ba? May pag-asa pa ba ang Pilipinas?
Well, sa pag-asa, as long as life is there, talaga namang meron.
Opo.
But it will take certain things from us.
Aabutan
diba?
pa ba natin?
Well, hindi ko alam. Well, actually, it does not matter naman
Yes.
if it happens in my lifetime or not. Sana. Pero ngayon, parang kahit bumaba si Kristo sa Pilipinas, papakawin ulit ng Pilipino. Diba, utanalog ka. Kasi ang gusto lang nila yung, Lord, bigay mo to, Lord, ganito. Pero ano naman ang ginagawa mo para makuha natin yung gusto natin?
Opo. Tsaka maisingit ko lang din po si Jesus Christ. Actually, parang yung teaching po talaga ni Jesus Christ, kung hindi medyo na-politicize ng history.
Gano'n naman.
Love din talaga siya. Universal love lang din talaga. Tsaka yung being one with God, parang being one with the universe. Parang yun din po talaga. Pero yun nga po, ma'am. Nabanggit niyo po kanina yung salitang enlightenment. So, yun po, si Buddha, tinawag na nagka-nirvana, nagka-enlighten siya. Si Jesus Christ, nag-transfiguration, enlightened. Pero para sa inyo, ma'am, ano po ba talaga ang true definition ng enlightenment? O ano ang taong enlightened?
Well, ang enlightenment, the subject of the enlightenment is precisely everything about the universe. The role of the positive and the negative, not in the ethical sense only, but also in the yin-yang sense only. The competition between two categories, male and female, hetero and homo, di ba? Yung talagang pagdating mo sa pag-ibig, walang race, walang religion, walang gender.
Yes.
Di ba? And all the arguments and the quarrels precisely belong to a certain level. Pero pagdating dun sa... Kaya nung 2013, when all the 50 states of America said yes to same-sex marriage.
Same-sex marriage, opo.
And I remember yung kaibigan ko sa Facebook nag-post, same-sex wedding.
Opo.
Finally, after 20 years, and then not that it mattered. Not that it mattered.
Yeah.
Okay? And I understood perfectly what she was trying to say.
Yes.
Okay? So you go through the legal system, the legal approval, the legal ganyan. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter.
Yung pagmamahal nyo naman sa isa't isa yung nagmamatter talaga.
And they've been together for 30 years or something like that. Diba? So,
Yun po. Pero yun din yung fascinating sa love. No? Na parang, yun po, na kahit, yung kunyari sa same-sex marriage or yung same-sex love, na willing ka talagang mag-rebel sa society, para lang dun sa pagmamahal na yan eh. Opo.
Tsaka love kasi hindi naman na-imprison ng social constructs
Opo.
yan eh. Diba? I mean,
Totoo.
beat your chest and bang your head on the wall.
Opo.
Yeah, but when it finally happens, diba?
It will happen.
It,
Ayan, ma'am. Kung matanong ko lang, medyo lighten up tayo ng onte.
Okay.
Si Ma'am Lorin Velasco, na-in love na po ba dati?
ay, oo naman.
Opo.
Oo naman. Wonderful men. Diba? Did something happen? No. wala. But they were wonderful men.
Opo.
Okay, and I don't regret having fallen in love.
Opo.
I hope they're happy, whatever path that they have chosen.
Opo. Ma'am, kung okay lang po ba tayo medyo mag-go personal, pwede naman po natin i-cut if ever. Pero
No,
kung,
it's okay.
opo.
Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo.
Ayun nga po. Kasi po, nung naging prof po kayo, nababanggit nyo nga po na hindi na po kayo nag-family, hindi na po kayo nag...
Meron naman, but I don't have my own children.
Apo.
I'm not married.
Apo.
But I have a family.
Gets
And I
po, apo.
expand the meaning of family.
Yes,
I
okay.
don't have biological children. I have 4-legged children. Mas masahol pa sa 5 anak, di ba?
nasa 50 po ata
Ang
po
advocacy na pinasok ko, di ba?
Apo, yun
So,
ang family
it never
niyo po.
occurred to me. It was never part of the plan. It just happened, you
Apo.
know? So,
Gets. Kung matanong ko lang po, yun nga po. Ano po ba yung naging deciding factor na mag-focus na lang po kayo sa pagtuturo and sa mga four-legged babies niyo po. At hindi niyo na po pinursu yung traditional sense na dapat mong puntahan na magpamilya ka.
it never crossed my mind. Okay, so do you regret not getting married? No. Not having children? Absolutely not. Diba? So,
Tsaka ma'am, sa totoo lang po, yung ginagawa nyo na yung purpose nyo nga po na ganyan.
Yeah.
As in, sobrang daming taong naapektuhan. Isipin nyo nga ma'am, ako, technically, sinasabi ko niligtas nyo yung buhay ko, di ba? Parang,
kahit wala akong kagagawan doon.
Opo.
Wala akong kamalay-malay doon.
Opo. Pero that's
Okay.
parang yun po yung parang love nyo po sa purpose nyo. Dahil ginagawa nyo yung purpose nyo, parang it affects.
Ganon.
Opo.
There's nothing wrong with marriage, but
Opo.
that's not for me. Diba?
Opo.
So,
So, ayun po ma'am, mapunta naman po tayo dun sa, ano nga ba yung tatanong ko?
di mo sinulat.
Sa family po, hindi kasi, ano lang siya, sumagi lang sa utak ko yun. Ano nga ba, yung sa family?
So, yung family mo, ina-expand mo na yung meaning ng family mo.
Ay, ayun po
so,
pala.
hindi lang yung parents and siblings. It's also my DLSU po sa team.
Opo.
Yan o. So,
Ito po pala matanong ko. Yung purpose po pala. Na, kasi po sa akin, sa perspective ko, yun po yung purpose nyo. Pero para sa sarili nyo po, ano po yung purpose nyo sa buhay?
hindi ko iniisip yung purpose. Iniisip ko lang, hindi ko siya iniisip.
Opo.
It's just the love that has moved your soul and then you act in accordance with that. Kasi yung purpose limited eh. Okay? Yung purpose, ganito, ganyan. Paano hindi ko ma-achieve yung purpose mo? Precisely wala
The
nga.
failure na, no? Okay.
Diba? Magsasucceed ba or hindi? Hindi ko iniisip yun eh. I did not sign up for what the LSU Pusa has become.
Gets.
We just wanted to quietly take care of the cats and then it just grew into something that we never imagined it would be. And yet, when the challenge happens, you just say yes to it. Wala akong yung objective na i-achieve. Wala akong ganon. I don't operate that way. Okay. So, I fell in love. I fell in love with philosophy. Wala akong plano, career path, but I fell in love with it. So, I took up all the philosophy subjects. Malay ko bang magkakaroon ako ng trabaho na philosophy ang linya? Gusto kong maging filmmaker. Okay? So, life is what happens to you nga, sabi, while you're busy making plans. So, hindi ako nag-ooperate in that sense, I would say mas malalim yung hugot.
Opo.
Hindi ako nagtuturo para lang ako may trabaho and pay the bills, But I'm so grateful. I corrupt the minds of the youth and I get paid for it. Thank you very much, di ba? but the joy, if I do not find joy in whatever it is that I'm doing, I stop doing it.
Opo.
Okay? But the joy kasi is not just happiness na positive.
Yun nga po eh.
It also includes the negative.
Yung negative eh.
Yung DLSU po siya is a lot of work. I was there the entire pandemic, made certain sacrifices, but not sacrifice when you come from love. So, you say yes to it eh. Oo, so parang 14 days a day, 14 hours a day, wala kang day off. Pag naisip mo talagang, and yet, how can I not do it? Hindi rin ako mag-i-enjoy, uwi ako ng Christmas or, di ba, New Year. na walang magpapakain ng pusa
Kakain
ng
sa kanila.
campus. Diba?
So, ibig sabihin po, kahit nung Pasko talaga,
365 days a year.
Oh my God.
6 na taon na akong nagpapasko sa
Oo nga
kasal.
po. Hindi, kahit po, before pa ata yung pusa, talagang
Oo.
active
Pero
na kayo eh.
dati naman, 10 years na ang dilas yung pusa.
Opo.
Pero yung the past 6 years talaga, Pasko, New Year, Holy Week, yun na yun. And then the pandemic, I was there, of course.
Opo.
Yun
Tsaka
yun.
yung talaga, ma'am, yung yung unconditional love talaga.
Oo
Kasi
naman.
Hindi ka nila masusuklian eh.
Oo, it
Mga
doesn't
pusa,
matter.
opo.
Kaya nga. Well, actually, hindi ka masusuklian in terms of what you can determine rationally.
Opo.
But the fact that they're alive, anong reward nito? That they're healthy, that they're alive.
Walang
yun,
kinalaman sa inyo po.
Diba? Yung walang kinalaman sa ego mo.
Okay.
Walang kinalaman sa ego mo.
Pero kunyari po ba kung sa usapang ego na, ayun nga po, feeling ko kung evolutionary perspective naman po, na siguro po, meron pong parang may rason si evolution kung bakit niya finorm yung ego natin from a very instinctive.
No, the ego
Opo.
can have its own fulfillment.
Opo.
Kaya ako hindi titigil doon kasi there's another kind of fulfillment and joy na nakita mo na lampas doon. Diba, masarap ang maraming pera for your own sake, the branded, pero hindi na yun eh. Car or cat? I could have bought 3 SUVs with what I've spent. It makes me happy to a certain degree na meron kang car, di ba? But the cats make me happier.
Opo.
Yung leather sofa ko, lumabas ang intestines. Ini-scratch ng mga pusa. Yung iba, ang mahal niyan, di ba?
Sa ilang taon po ba? Nakailang palit na kayo ng mga
Diba?
gamit?
Wala na. I removed my furnitures. I had to change my lifestyle, remove the ceramics, gave up a little bit of my garden.
Opo.
And you are accommodating precisely.
Gets.
Diba? So, pinangatawanan mo na. And the cats make me happier.
Opo. If I may ask, ma'am, why cats?
Well, hindi ako makapag-rescue ng elepante. I like to help all animals if I can. Factory farming, di ba? That's why I stopped eating meat.
Gets.
But in terms of rescuing, mas maraming ayaw ng pusa.
Yes.
Mas maraming nagsasagasa ng pusa. The number 1 pet choice in the Philippines is aso.
Aso po.
Second lang ang pusa. Mas mabilis din silang dumami. Kaya nung nag-rescue ako, sabay ang kapon. Hindi pwedeng rescue lang. Kailangan i-manage mo yung population. Kapon. Kasi mauubusan ka talaga ng funds.
Totoo.
May limitations. Lahat ng shelters, individual rescuers, we have our own limitations. But sometimes you still stretch
Opo.
Push the boundaries for as long as you can. So cut down on personal expenses. Di ba, mahalang gatas, may mga kuting na padededehin. Ganon, for as long as you can. Okay? But you have to be realistic that you cannot save them all,
Opo.
But hindi rin yun rule. Kasi minsan pag nasa harap mo na, what's another mouth to feed? Diba? Kukunin mo
Pero
na.
yun nga po, paano po
Diba?
ba paano nyo malalaman kung kaya pa or lagi nakakahanap ng paraan sa universe?
Minsan, hindi nagdidesisyon yung kaya ko pa o hindi. Magdidesisyon ka na kakayanin ko.
Oh, ang ganda nun. Kahit saang aspect ng buhay, no? Kung may ganun kang perspective na kakayanin ko. Opo. Ang ganda nun.
Pag galing ka kasi sa utak, parang kaya ko pa ba o hindi, isasagutin ka niyan.
Opo.
Pero pag galing ka pa sa mas malalim, minsan parang baka hindi na, pero
Kakayanin ko. And so far naman po, laging kinakaya. No?
Tsaka saan manggagaling yung ganun?
Opo.
Sa pagmamahal yan.
Pagmamahal
Mga
talaga.
padre de pamilya, madre de pamilya, mga, di ba?
Opo.
Parang ang hirap, pero kakayanin ko.
Opo. Ma'am, kung matanong ko lang po, yung start po ba ng yung advocacy nyo sa mga pusa po? Naaalala nyo pa po ba yung unang-unang pusa na nirescue nyo? O yung unang-unang pusa kinalagaan nyo na na-realize ko na mahal na mahal ko kayo?
Well, the first cat that I fell in love with, Persian cat.
Persian,
Nabigay
opo,
sa
opo.
pamangkin ko.
Hindi pa sa inyo, no?
Hindi. Pero she lives in my house. We live in the same house. And then, nung nasa Sophia University ako sa Tokyo, I stumbled upon information on animal cruelty.
Opo.
Yun ang talagang nag-move ng soul ko. Na ganito palang ginagawa natin sa kanila. That's why I said, pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, gagawa ko ng paraan para matulungan sila. So, una, sa community ko lang, sa
Opo.
subdivision. Yung chairperson ko pumunta.
Opo.
Nagdala ng rescue niya, pinakapon. Sabi niya, bakit hindi natin ito gawin sa Lasal?
Sa Lasal.
O di sige, inumpisahan naman namin sa Lasal. Tapos lumaki na ng lumaki,
Opo.
ng lumaki. 10 years na ang DLSU po siya.
Maano ko lang po, ang ma-share ko lang na ang Lasal is one of the most cat-friendly university sa
That is true.
Opo, sa
Maraming
Pilipinas.
naiinggit sa atin. Napakaswerte ng pusa ng Lasal.
Opo, napakaswerte.
Napakaswerte ng pusa. At napakaswerte din ng team
Opo.
na ang policy makers natin ay compassionate or open-minded. Hindi not necessarily cat people, but they understand the advocacy.
Yes po, opo.
Yun,
Kasi kahit kami doon dati, nung ang daming pusa sa Lasal, talagang ako nag-enjoy na ako na ang galing siya shelter talaga ng Lasal. Hindi kasi ang daling nga nila, yung nga po yung point na ang dali nilang hindi mahalin eh. Kasi, pero kung nga po yung sa Lasal, na parang, doon din po ako tuwan-tuwa sa Lasal, yan education ko, na parang, hindi hypocrite yung mga tao doon.
You walk the talk.
Opo,
You have to walk
opo.
the talk.
Na parang sa Lasal, makikita mo talaga na kahit yung mga professors, passionate talaga sila. Hindi yung hindi nagtuturo lang para sumeldo.
Pero may mga anti-cat people din. Lahat naman
Gets
ng community,
naman.
you know. But kaya importante yung policy makers mo eh. Pag enlightened at kind at compassionate yung policy makers mo, kahit na marami kang gago sa komunidad, they will not prevail.
Opo.
Kaya importante ang role ng leaders.
Opo.
So, yun.
Totoo. Pero ma'am, kung maitanong ko lang po, medyo wild question lang na, kasi po ako rin, very ako sa mga hayop. Pero may na-encounter lang po ako na meme sa social media na parang yung parang kunyari, na inaalagaan natin yung mga cats, dogs,
Okay.
ganyan. Pero mga ipis,
Yeah.
na parang ang compassion
natin,
and love daw may aesthetic fact.
Yeah. Kaya speciesist ang tawag doon.
Oh,
Well,
speciesist,
actually,
opo.
siyempre, wala naman akong pet na ipis.
Nga po, ayun nga. Pero ang lala ko, hindi nga raw po kayo mapatay ng ipis na po.
Of course, I don't want them on my
Opo.
food and my kitchen, but I remember I had this this experience that was like a revelation to me. So, syempre, ayaw mo yung lumilipad na ipis, no? So, parang may hawak kong walis or sinelas.
Opo.
And then I paused.
Opo.
And then I saw the cockroach, takot na sakot din siya.
Yes.
Takot na takot din siya. Probably more terrified than I was. And that's when I decided,
No.
I will not kill. Diba? Die another day and not by my hand. And besides, kaya naman minsan maraming ipis yung bahay mo kasi madumi yung bahay mo.
Opo, so kasalanan mo rin talaga.
So kailangan, linisan mo para hindi dadating. That's why when I drink my coffee afterwards, I wash it right away para it doesn't sit on the table and the ants will come. Tapos
Opo.
lulunurin mo sa lababo, di ba? They don't have to die.
Opo.
Not today and not by your hand.
Ma'am, labas naman po tayo. Punta naman po tayo sa profession nyo as a professor. Kung ako po, isa kayo sa naging iconic na professor ko na sa totoo lang, yung pagbagsak niyo po, sabi bumagsak ko kay ma'am. Yung pagbagsak ko kay ma'am is one of the greatest thing na nangyari sa buhay ko. Totoo po yun, ma'am. Kasi hanggang ngayon nga po, 12 years after, binabanggit ko pa yung pangalan niya eh.
Proud siya na bumagsak sa klase.
Hindi kasi ayun nga po, kung may kwento ko lang din yung pagbagsak ko kay ma'am, nakwento ko na sa dati kong podcast to na si ma'am kasi sobrang enlightening niya magturo pero medyo may pagka-strict si ma'am sa grading, sa standard.
Sa exams.
Sundin natin na parang nothing, hindi naman nagmamatter lahat to dahil wala naman nagmamatter sa mundo pero may standard tayong inagreean so sundin natin. Naalala ko po yung din yun na yun. So parang ako may pagkukulang din talaga ako as a student pero yung pakikinig ko sa inyo
Hindi,
talagang
you're not the typical student. Sabi ko nga hindi magno-notes, hindi magme-memorize, okay lang yan. Pero nakikinig, naiintindihan. Okay? So, importante din
Sana
yun.
naiintindihan.
Although, I told my students, pero syempre, gusto ko rin naman pumasa kayo.
Opo, ayun nga po.
Yun.
Opo. So dahil nga si ma'am is focus niya is Zen Buddhism which is yun nga po yung very very circular type of consciousness. Tapos, nung bumagsak ako, kailangan ko ulit i-retake yung philosophy class. So, napunta ako kay Sir Villacorte naman po,
si
which
Ernest.
is Friedrich Nietzsche naman. So,
Friedrich
will to
Nietzsche.
power. So, parang intense, very western, very, may konting, may pagka egotistic na klase ng philosophy. Pero alam ko hindi. Hindi naman. Pero on hindsight lang si So, para sa akin, na yung naging impact na enlighten nyo ako and at the same time, bumagsak din ako and kinailangan ko i-take to. Parang, kung yun nga, kung sinasabi ko man na kung existent man ba yung right and left nung Villacorte and Miss Lorin Velasco, yung gitna na pinapuntahan ko nung para talagang, oh my God, hanggang ngayon, every day of my life, gamit na gamit ko yung...
And we can integrate, actually,
Opo,
kung
yung
will to power in what is the greatest power.
Opo.
It's love.
Love. Talaga yung nga po. Parang alam ko nga po parang may God po ata si Nietzsche, no? Yung parang si Abraxas ba? Tapos si Abraxas is love. Parang ganun. Ewan ko kung...
And love is beyond good and evil.
Ayun nga po.
Love is beyond good and evil.
Opo. So, para talagang naging sobrang impactful. So, yun nga po yung next ko na tanong. Na kung kami mga estudyante, may impactful na mga professor sa amin. Sa inyo po ba, ma'am, may mga sobrang naaalala po ba kayo mga estudyante nyo na parang, uy, binago nito yung buhay ko?
Not so much binago yung buhay, but showed me different perspectives.
Opo.
At saka yung natutuwa ako, like
Opo.
may magtatanong ng, Miss, so can we use bad words in your class?
Opo.
May magtatanong, Miss, can we use bad words in your class?
Opo.
Okay? And I would not have thought of the answer if the question was not asked. So I appreciate my students.
Opo. So, pwede nga po
In
ba?
that sense. And I said, why are the words bad? What did they do to you? So, Miss, if somebody said shit, why is shit a bad word?
May
Not
tayo
if
lang.
you say bowel or excrement, they mean the same thing. What I'm trying to point at, a social construct.
Gets.
Tayong nagdi-decide, ito yung bad words, ito yung hindi. Okay? So, when somebody lifts the middle finger, galit na galit ka. Because you're saying yes to the meaning of that.
Opo.
Naalala ko yung alaga ko, sabi niya, Ninay, ito yung bad finger. And I said, let's cut them off. Ayaw naman niyang paputol. Ninay, only 8 are good fingers. Diba? Yung mga ganyan. Kasi yung middle finger nga bad daw.
Opo.
And then I, of course, whispered to her and I said, all fingers are good.
Opo.
And all fingers are beautiful.
Nasa kung paano mo siya
Oo.
gagamitin.
So, nasa social construct yan.
Opo.
So, pag sinabihan ka ng pangit, what hurts you is not so much the word.
Opo.
It's the desire to be called pretty.
Opo. Gets.
Diba? Ayaw mong sabihan ka ng pangit. Well,
Opo.
what's wrong with the word pangit? Okay? Because you agree to that
Opo.
Okay? So liberate yourself.
Talagang sa
Liberate
perception mo po sa mga outside na
At saka from
nangyayari
another,
sa'yo.
and then my wicked humor, yung talagang pakialam mo kung paano napapangitan sa'yo. Mata na nga niya yun eh. Pinakikialaman mo pa kung paano ka makita. Di mo sila, di ba?
Saka nga po, babalik at babalik, nothing really matters talaga.
That's kasi, and then what kind of consciousness ask questions like, am I pretty?
Opo.
Di ba? Let me introduce to you a mirror. Di ba? Or, do you like me?
Opo.
And I will reply to you, do you like you?
Ay, ang ganda nun, ma'am. Sa totoo lang, maraming taong naghahanap ng pagmamahal sa ibang tao na hindi
Exactly.
naman nila,
Do you like me?
mahal mo ba sarili
And
mo?
then,
Parang hindi.
yun ang gusto ko sa Zen. It always brings you back to yourself.
Opo.
Do you like you?
Opo. Ay, so ma'am, yun po. Kung may papayo kayo sa mga tao, paano po ba mahalin ang sarili?
The acceptance na iyan ka. Diba? Kung marami akong, may sayad ako ano gagawin natin? Diba? Pero kung meron kang gustong baguhin, sa'yo din manggagaling yung energy. Diba? Kung ayaw mo pala yung nakikita mo, bakit mo hinahayaan? Magpatuloy. Yun eh.
Opo.
Sometimes the question, it's that simple, but it's the simple things we miss out on eh.
Opo.
Ayoko nang hindi nag-aaral. Bakit hindi ka nag-aaral? Diba? Ayoko nang bumabagsak. Bakit ka bumabagsak? Yung mga ganon. Ayoko nung nai-inlove lang ako basta-basta. Tapos parang I'm trapped in this pattern. Diba? Then, who's going to stop that?
Opo. Pero yun nga po ba? Kung yung love, na minsan, na-attach din tayo kasama ng love.
Ay, talaga.
Paano mo nga po ba pipigiling?
No, hindi mo mapipigilan.
Opo.
Hindi mo mapipigilan. But the point is, do you need to be imprisoned by that? Do you need to be imprisoned by that? Sometimes you justify it eh.
Opo.
Kagaya ng estudyante ko, Miss, alam ko naman, I'm in a one-sided relationship, unrequited. Pag sabi pa lang niya ng one-sided, tumas na yung kilay ko. But I let her finish the question.
Love ba yun?
And then, I said, after she said her piece, if it's one-sided, it's not a relationship.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung parang si Tom Cruise, ang boyfriend ko, pero hindi niya pa alam. Diba? Yung talagang, no. Okay?
Opo.
But precisely yun na nga. So, love is not concerned with the reciprocation eh. That's the ego that desires. Kung nagustuhan ka, bonus yun.
Opo.
Bonus yun. It's not a necessity. It's not a necessity.
Gets. Kung mapunta ulit po tayo sa pagtuturo po. Ma'am, ilang taon na po kayo nagtuturo?
30 plus years.
30 plus years. Sa 30 plus years nyo po na pagtuturo, ano po yung, kumbaga, yung greatest experience nyo as a prof po? Yung parang most memorable experience nyo po.
Well, ako naman, I enjoy the teaching with students who are receptive.
Opo.
I will not choose one class over another. Every trimester for me is special and
Opo.
every class is special.
Opo.
Yun. So, sino ba yung favorite class mo? Pero
Hindi po, yung parang kunyari yung cathartic na, kunyari, nangyari lang sa school or kahit hindi siya isa student, pero yung parang may nangyari sa inyo na after that, parang medyo mas nagbagong tao kayo? Parang,
Wala akong ganong experience. Wala
kasi
akong...
present po kasi talaga kayo.
Sustained
No?
Sustained siya. It's not just one specific thing that, di ba? Parang sustained. Si Nietzsche nga said something like, along that line It is not the intensity, but the duration of high feelings that make great men. Yung intense ngayon lang, tapos wala na. Yung sustained. Sustained.
Sarap. Kasi kunyari para sa akin bilang isang medyo ADHD na tao, yung duration ng highs and lows ko, yun yung
Hindi,
struggle.
kasama yun. Para kang magtatanong anong favorite na birthday mo, anong age. Wala. Every birthday is special.
It's a gift.
It's a renewal of
Opo.
So wala akong pipiliin na, although when I turned 40, I said, so this is life?
Opo.
The past 4 decades? Bring in the next 40 years.
Opo.
Bring in the next 40 years.
Ma'am, kung matanong ko lang po, kung ako sa inyo, na may naging impact po kayo sa akin, meron po ba kayong mentors in the past na talagang parang naging...
Life was my teacher.
Life talaga.
Life was my teacher. And I had some wonderful people coming into my life. Pero hindi yung impactful na mentor ko na ganyan.
Opo.
Life was my teacher, but there were of course individuals that I appreciated so much. And I still appreciate so much. Wala na sila.
Opo.
But it's not so much yung parang wow, model. Hindi ganon. It's just that we became friends and then the love. The love. I remember si Dr. Quito,
Opo.
Dr. Emerita Quito. Yung famous hashtag nila yan ng generation nila. Publish or perish. Okay? So talagang parang, wow, publish ka. Para alam yung pangalan mo. Nababasa ka ng mga tao. Publish or perish. And yet, we continued to visit her way beyond retirement years.
Opo.
And I also saw, when I delivered my eulogy for her, publish or perish, si Dr. Quito, achiever yan. But she also reached a point in her life when she realized there's nothing wrong with perishing. There's nothing wrong with perishing.
Medyo mahirap tanggapin yun, ma'am, no? Pero, ayun nga, parang wala...
Hindi, kasi yung ego, parang naalala ka, may legacy ka, you get quoted, di ba? The ego is happy with those things. Well, one of these days, I will retire, I'll probably go into oblivion. Is that a sad state of affairs? Not necessarily. In fact, this year, when I celebrated my birthday, I turned off the date of my birthday.
Opo.
Para wala sa akin masyadong bumabati. Kasi parang, that stillness.
Opo.
Di ba? Not that nagsusuplada ka, but that silence. Because every day is special
Opo.
Not just the birthday, not just the Christmas, not just the New Year.
Every day talaga.
Sustained.
Nga po yung sinabi ko na, everything is magic. So, lahat na nangyayari sa'yo is magical Parang gano'n. Ma'am, kung matanong ko naman po, yun, nabanggit nyo kanina, yung sa perishing. So, pupunta na dyan si death.
Yeah.
Ano po ba ang view nyo sa afterlife?
Wala akong views afterlife.
Opo.
I am not interested to go to heaven.
Bakit po?
That's not my motivation. If there is, then let's check it out. Di ba? If there's none, it doesn't bother me. I'm okay. I have no problem staying dead. Okay? From a psychological perspective, the belief in eternal life or afterlife can be a defense mechanism against death and dying.
Yes, yun nga po
I have no problem with staying dead and resting in peace, life is too much trouble sometimes, If reincarnation is true and you tell me you'll be the most powerful in the next life, I'm not interested. The most famous, not interested. The most beautiful, the most, popular, I'm not interested. But if you tell me an animal needs help, I will come back.
Nakakatawa mo Sobrang pure
I will
na
come back.
intention.
For a million lifetime, I will come back.
Opo. Parang yung meaning of life, no? Para talagang,
Yeah.
ang simple na parang meaning of life. Cut.
Diba? Yaman, popularity, the ego yan. The
Opo.
ego yan. And that's the beautiful thing. You don't need to be rich to be happy.
Totoo.
You don't need to have a college education to be happy. You don't need a PhD degree to be happy. So, yun.
Ayan. Next na tanong ko, ma'am. Nabanggit nyo kanina, tinanong ko kung doctor na po ba kayo. Sabi nyo, not interested. Bakit po ba hindi kayo interested na tumaas pa ng tumaas yung rango nyo?
I never worked for promotion.
Yes.
That was never my motivation. I had to finish my MA kasi
Opo.
wala nga akong diploma sa Lasal. So, kailangan ko matapos. I continue to improve and study, so I had scholarship grants outside. But I never studied kasi for the diploma
Yes.
or the degree.
Yes.
And I would not read because it's a requirement.
Opo.
I like reading books that are wonderful, and there are many wonderful books, but not for the requirement.
Opo.
So, ganun din ako. So, pero ayoko din ng puro libro.
Nakakatawa man pareho tayo dyan kasi may share ko lang po. Yung diploma ko sa Lasal, hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa nakukuha.
Ako nga rin yata, hindi ko pa nakuha
Hindi ko pa nakukuha yung diploma ko sa Lasal.
Oo.
Kasi lagi yun sinasabi kong, ba't gano'n? Graduate ka, wala kang kahit picture nga po sa yearbook, wala ako.
Meron naman ako, sumama naman ako sa batch ko.
So ako po, parang pag tinatanong ako, kasi hindi yung diploma yung nagko-contain nung natutunan ko sa Lasal eh. Ito parang...
Dala mo yun
po, parang...
Dala mo yun.
Hindi ko kailangan ng proof na sa Lasal ako nag-aaral. It's just that na, feeling ko yung natutunan ko dun importante sa akin. Parang ganun po. So, ayun po, matanong ko naman po next, ma'am. So, para sa inyo po ba, ano po yung definition ng isang good man?
Anyone who comes from love cannot be but a good man. It has nothing to do with moral standards. Moral standards are culturally based,
Opo.
depending on the religious affiliation.
Opo.
I think goodness is deeper than that. Kaya nga, di ba, kaya nga ina-analyze ko yung song na you better watch out, better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. And that's how you start teaching children to become manipulative. And yet
Opo.
that same song says the line, to be good for goodness sake.
Opo, yun nga
So
eh.
walang kondisyon.
Opo.
Walang kondisyon. Okay, so when you have love in your heart, you cannot do evil.
Opo. Ayun nga po, kung matanong ko lang po. Kasi, ito, isang scenario lang po. Thought experiment na, yun po yung laging question na, kunyari, dumating sa point na isang tatay, wala na siyang pera. Tapos yung anak niya is critical ang kondisyon. Tapos po, wala na siya ibang way para sa kanya, kundi mang-hold up, kunyari. Kung yun nga po, if it's coming from love, na dahil gusto niya lang masave yung buhay ng anak niya. Pero at the same time, the act is kind of evil.
Hindi kasi pwedeng isolated lang yun eh. Bakit
Opo.
nagkaganon yung sitwasyon niya? Di ba?
Yes.
Bakit ka may anak tapos you're not prepared for it? In fact, I will give this example
Opo.
na factual. Maraming street kids dyan sa Efraya Street,
Opo.
sa labas ng Lasal. Makukulit, nakakainis. Minsan they will get yung mga Starbucks ng mga estudyante natin. From one perspective, nakakainis. Mga salot ng lipunan. And yet from another perspective, what have we done to our children? That they need to do that. What have we done to our children? Bring them into existence, tapos hindi mo kayang paaralin. Hindi mo kayang pakainin. Do you come from love if you bring children into existence na alam mong hindi mo kayang pakainin?
Hindi nga po.
Diba? Nakita ko sa interview buntis siya sa 10th child. Ang 4 dumidede. Tapos ang kinikita nila sa pangangalakal ay 200 pesos. Diba? Yung parang minsan na mag-iisip-isip ka naman.
Opo.
I had a cousin whose siblings died from malnutrition. 2
Opo.
kapatid niya. So sinabi niya, hindi ako mag-aanak. Hindi ako magdadagdag ng batang nagugutom. Ganun yung hugot
Opo.
niya. Pero kung wala kang pakialam, di...
Bahala, gawa.
Diba?
Tapos
So,
kung mag-suffer sila, di.
Oo. Pero naisip ko rin si Manny Pacquiao di
Opo.
ba?
Oo, totoo.
Kung siya'y inabort ng nanay niya, di walang
Sayang,
gano'n,
opo.
di ba?
Totoo yan, naisip ko rin po yan.
So, ganun.
Opo.
Okay? But of course, love is not only for the rich, it's also for the poor. But yun na nga, dadating sa ganun. Kasi ako, in my case, parang hindi ko rin ma-attempt na ma-attempt na ako'y magnanakaw sa iba para sa pamilya
Para
ko.
sa pagmamahal. Opo.
At ayoko na ang pamilya ko ay magnanakaw para sa akin.
Gets. Opo, totoo yun.
Ayoko yon.
Opo.
Okay na ako sa starvation. Kung ako'y mamamatay sa sakit dahil wala tayong pambayad, huwag kang magnanakaw.
Opo. Ganun din.
Huwag kang magnanakaw. Do not violate another family, another human being. So, minsan may nang-hold up. Okay, sige, mang-hold up ka, pero bakit mo kailangang patayin?
Ayun nga.
Kailangan mo magpaiyak ng pamilya. Kunin mo na yung pera, di ba?
Opo.
Yung ganyan. Pero, yun na nga to start with the very desire to steal what does not belong to you. Diba? Is already problematic.
Opo. Sabihin.
And then you act on it.
Tsaka yun nga po, yung kanina pinag-usapan natin, nakakayanin ko. panigurado, kung nag-isip ka pa ng paraan, maaring kayanin mo. Hindi lang naman talaga yun yung ano. Pero ma'am, kung okay lang po mag-isang thought experiment lang po kasi ito lagi kong tinatanong din to sa podcast.
Sige.
Sa mga philosophical na tao po. Ethics naman po, medyo papasok.
Okay.
Or morality.
Sige. Oo.
Yun nga po, imagine po na merong time machine. Tapos pwede tayong bumalik.
Mm.
Tapos kung sakali pong, sino ba yung one of the most evil person na dumating? Kunyari, Hitler.
Do I even want to meet this person?
Opo, si baby Hitler. Makakabalik ka sa moment na baby pa si Hitler. And alam niyo po yung ginawa ni Hitler na evil sa buong mundo. Would you do the earth a favor? Killing the baby Hitler or not? Wala, question lang. No, yeah.
Because I do not just blame Hitler for the Holocaust.
Yes.
It is a group of people having the same energy.
Opo.
Maybe Hitler gave
Triggered.
the instruction, but if there's nothing in you that will follow that,
Opo.
okay, then probably if you're going to kill Hitler, you kill all.
Opo, against.
Everyone.
Opo.
I will not.
Opo.
Meddle.
Ang ganda na sagot. Opo.
I will not meddle.
Opo.
But there were lessons learned from it, although lessons are not the most important thing. Okay? Ano bang nawala? Buhay.
Buhay.
But sometimes you give that up for something bigger, for something higher. Because if you killed him, parang may messianic complex
Opo.
ka pa yan
Parang
diba?
savior.
Diba? So I will not.
Opo. Tsaka feeling ko rin, may darating ulit na Hitler.
Meron nga. May mga small Hitlers ka left and right.
Dito lang.
Diba?
Yung-
It doesn't have to be a Holocaust. I would say anyone who kills another person
Opo.
is a Hitler energy.
Opo. Pero mapag-usapan natin, ma'am lang, yung World War II, yung ginawa na genocide ng
It's still happening. Ang daming
Opo,
ethnic
sa
cleansing.
Israel nga
So, walang tigil. Walang
Opo.
tigil. And it's sad.
Mapag-usapan lang
And
po
it's
natin.
heartbreaking.
Sobra po. Lalo na sa Israel. Lalo na po kasi yung sa akin, yung ginagawa ng Israel ngayon na pinagdaanan nyo dati yan. Ba't nyo ginagawa ngayon sa iba?
But ano yan kasi hindi sa linear na cause and effect.
Yun nga po
Yun
talagang
yan
tagal na
diba?
politika.
So walang katapusan. The animosity is so deep.
Opo.
The very fact that you're Jew, the very fact that you're this,
Opo.
labeled this, the hatred is there. That's why we look within. We look within.
Kasi yun nga po, parang din yung isa kong malaking question sa World War II. Is, get si Hitler nga, pero paano niya na-convince yung isang buong lahi?
Kasi,
Patayin natin lahat to. Parang,
tsaka yung mga pumatay.
Opo, yun
diba?
nga po paano niya na-convince?
Yeah. Parang there's something there in that consciousness.
Opo.
That global consciousness.
Parang, yun nga po, yun din na nakakatakot.
And are we learning the lesson? Like sa Japan,
Opo.
ayaw na talaga nilang war.
Opo,
Ayaw
yun nga
nila.
po
Minsan dumadating yung possibility, di ba? Let's
Ngayon
give
po,
up
nagpe-prepare na
the
ata.
self-defense. Kasi may threat
Opo.
And the instinct of self-preservation naman, syempre, you will protect
pa rin,
yourself. This is the game we play. This is the game humans play.
Opo.
And it's there and you project whatever.
Gets.
Okay.
Ma'am, ito naman po yung next question ko. Kung kanina po, tinanong ko, what is a good man? Tapos, papasok po tayo sa greatness. Which is yun, kung makwento ko lang kayo kay Nietzsche is, you have to be a superman, overman, great man. Para sa inyo po ba, ano po ang great man? And after po nun, ano po bang mas maganda? Maging good man ka or maging great man ka?
I would say the two are synonymous. A good man is a great man. And a great man is not great by anyone's standard. People may not even know. You may not even get the recognition. And that is precisely what makes you great and good because you're not after that.
Ganda sagot. Opo. Ito ma'am, medyo patapos na rin po tayo. Mga last few questions lang. Ma'am, kung matanong ko lang po, kung, yun nga po, you've been teaching for 30 years plus. Marami pong batang nabago niyo yung buhay. Na-corrupt nga po yun. Pero ma'am, kung explain nyo lang po, bakit nga po ba corruption yung ginagamit yung word?
Because you're changing so many things that are accepted by society, acceptable to society, and then you're questioning so many things. So the critical thinking, the
Opo.
open-mindedness, all the social constructs that I'm asking my students to not take hook, line, and sinker. Hindi porket sinabi ng matanda, tama.
Opo.
Di ba? Hindi porket sinabi ng teacher, okay.
Opo.
Hindi porket sinabi ng pare or ng pastor, di ba? Tama. Kasi nga philosophy, the critical thinking.
Opo.
So in that sense, corrupting the minds of the youth.
Gets,
Because we
opo.
are questioning so many things.
Naman po, next na mga tanong naman po is, ano po ba ang importansya ng philosophy? Kasi yun nga po, madalas siya na-disregard sa educational system.
Napaka-importante. Kasi nga, kung yung open-mindedness, yung critical thinking, so ang dami nating nai-inherit na mga ideas, mga ideologies. How will you know kung talagang tama kung hindi mo itetest? Maaring applicable sa iba, hindi sa'yo.
Opo.
Ang totoo ng iba, hindi kailangan maging totoo mo. Diba? So, hindi isang formula. Sabihin nila, kailangan mag-asawa ka para maging masaya. It doesn't follow eh. O kailangan may anak ka para maging masaya. Diba?
Opo.
So, maraming formulas na binimigay. They throw that away. And then, you have to have philosophy para alam mo kung ano yung para sa'yo.
Gets.
Diba? Hindi yung imitation, gaya-gaya ka sa iba. And then, the tendency of the mind also to compare.
Opo.
And people are guilty of that. Okay? And when you compare, you're throwing yourself into the lion's den. Kaninong standards ang hihiramin mo?
Opo.
Diba? So, and nothing in nature, that's why I love nature, because nothing in nature has the BS of humans. Nature does not compare.
Opo.
The orchid doesn't say to the gumamela, hoy, gumamela ka lang, orchid ako.
orchid
Or
ako.
sikat ako, tulips ako from Amsterdam. Galing yun sa mga tao eh, yung cobwebs in the head,
Opo.
So, tsaka sabi ko nga, yung kabag sa tiyan, madaling solusyonan. Pero yung kabag sa ulo, malupit yan. Pag ang utak mo puro ng hangin, di ba, paano mo ilalabas yan? So,
Opo.
yung ganun. So, kailangan, importante ang philosophy and not so much as a degree.
Opo.
Sinabihan ako, Lorin, ano ka naman, mag-recruit ka ng mga major. Sabi ko,
Opo.
hindi. We teach know thyself eh.
Opo.
Kung pwedeng mag-doktor, mag-engineering, di ba? Iniisip nyo lang yung population ng philosophy majors, that's good for the program. Hindi
Opo.
ako dun galing.
Opo, hindi talaga.
Hindi ako galing doon. To start with, hindi nga ako philosophy major eh. Commerce
Opo.
major ako.
Totoo
So,
yan.
kung in love sila sa philosophy, hindi naman sila kailangan mag-major dyan. But definitely, philosophy is essential. I think your education is not complete. But it doesn't have to be quotations from whatever philosopher.
Yes.
Yung hugot-hugot. Pag nakikinig ka naman sa buhay, lalabas yan eh.
Totoo po.
Lalabas yan eh.
Tsaka yun nga po kasi sa akin, hindi rin po ako philosophy major, pero isa pinaka naging impactful na professor ko, so gets nga po na. Ma'am, yun nga po, kung ma-define lang natin sa kanila, ano ba talaga yung philosophy?
Well, philosophy is precisely questioning so many things, coming up with possible answers, but answers are never finished.
Yeah, never absolute.
Never absolute. You keep open. That is one thing common to science and philosophy. Ang science kasi, pag may bago ka ng empirical data, sometimes contradicting your previous theory, you're willing to change it. Hindi matigas ang ulo. Hindi pwedeng matigas ang ulo. You cannot be closed-minded and be a philosopher. You cannot be closed-minded and be a scientist. Kaya lang, ang limitation ng scientist, empirical data. Ang philosophy naman, hindi. Walang limitations. In the world of ideas, walang limitations. Pagkatapos, pag Eastern philosophy ka, hindi lang world of ideas. Okay? Then you come up with a consciousness that's not just related to forming ideas, but realizing insights.
Ma'am, ito lang. Sorry, napapahaba po. Pero matanong ko lang po, ma'am. Yun nga po, nabanggit niyo yung
Maliwanag
consciousness. Saan po ba galing ang consciousness? Lagi kong tanong yan, para sa inyo.
Ang consciousness, yan na nga the consciousness of the universe. Lahat may consciousness, di ba? So, ang animals ay may consciousness, pero instinctive consciousness. Ang tao, it's one of the beautiful things about humans, di ba? May instinctive consciousness, may rational consciousness ka, which results in science and medicine.
Yes.
And could lessen suffering. And then you have also an intuitive consciousness that is available. And tayo lang naman may pangangailangan nun eh.
Opo.
Kasi nga, the tendency of the faculty of reason to be ignorant, to be arrogant.
Opo.
Okay? And then intuition is that which will remind you. Yabang-yabang mo, mamamatay ka rin, ano? Diba? Yung parang yabang-yabang mo, diba? I mean, you will enjoy life more if you stay sober. Yung wala namang sinabing don't achieve, achieve. Or don't have a lot of money. It's nice to have a lot of money. I tell my students, masarap ang maraming pera. Pero kung para lang sa sarili mo, to massage your ego, it's going to cause you suffering.
Suffering, nga po.
Diba? Because it can become a prison.
Yes.
Pero when you see the service it can give, my God.
Ang sarap nga
Diba?
po.
Ang sarap ng maraming pera.
Opo. Ayun din po ang goal ko sa pera, na parang gusto ko yumaman. Pero hindi para, yun nga po, para hindi sinabi niya na para sumikat, para magmukhang angat. para po magawa ko lahat ng ideas ko sa utak ko na gusto kong gawin. Kasi as an artist, parang kailangan mo rin talaga gawin. Gusto ko lang magawa lahat ng ideas ko. Parang ganun po. Para may tools. Next na question ko naman po, ma'am. Yun nga po, ang tagal nyo na po nagtuturo, marami po kayong buhay na binago. Pero kung may i-condense po kayo na payo sa isang tao,
I don't like giving advice.
ano po, yun nga po, kung mapipilitan kayong magpayo.
Okay.
Kung mapipilitan po kayo magpayo.
Yeah,
ano po
okay.
may papayo nyo sa isang tao para magkaroon ng good life?
Do not focus on the outside world and the others. Look also within. Look also within. Because we are the source of it all. And then do not limit yourself to what is defined and reduced to formulas. Stay open. Keep open. So many of the wonderful things that happened in my life, I did not plan. But I stayed open and receptive. So when the challenges came, when the invitations from life and the universe came, I just responded.
Napakaganda, ma'am. Huling-huling question na po, ma'am. Ito nga po, napakalaki po ng impact nyo and at the same time, sobrang low-key na tao nyo lang din po. Pero kung sakali lang po na maaalala kayo ng mga tao, saang paraan nyo po gusto maalala ng mga tao?
Na ako ay isang tao din. Kagaya niyong lahat. Pero hindi ordinaryo na pwede ring maging kayo because of that openness to life. The yes to love. Okay? Pero ayoko nang kopyahin niyo ang buhay ko.
Opo.
Gusto ko yung buhay ninyo rin. Your own flowering and your own blossoming. Okay? I did that to myself and I did that to my life. So I'd like you also to do the same. And you do not need to remember me. I don't mind being forgotten.
Opo.
In the same way, di ba, publish or perish, I have no problem with that. Okay? But if you remember, maraming salamat. If it made an impact, I am so happy to know that. And then you transcend me.
Opo, yun nga.
Because life has so much to offer to you,
Opo.
which is beyond what I have given you.
Yes, ma'am. Tsaka yun nga po, ito, masabi ko lang po na kung sakali man po, pagbigyan ako ng universe ng chance na if ever na lumaki si Epic Podcast, sinasabi ko po ngayon, ma'am, na yun po, yung you will always be with me. Yung kung ano man po,
Spooky.
kung ano man po yung magiging impact ng podcast,
Yeah.
nanggaling po sa inyo yung malaking
Yeah.
parte doon. No? Kaya, ma'am, maraming salamat po sa opportunity. Sobrang kinilabutan po talaga ako sa
Maraming
episode na to.
salamat din. Maraming salamat.
Sobrang thank you po, ma'am. Maraming salamat, Miss Lorena.
Maraming salamat.